Rave, we already studied the basics of alcohols. But now I'm curious about their chemical behavior in more detail.
Good point. The chemical properties of alcohols are generally due to the presence of the alkyl group and the ability to form hydrogen bonds.
So let's start with acidic character. Alcohols are weakly acidic, right?
Yes. Alcohols can react with active metals like sodium to form alkoxides in hydrogen gas. For example, 2CH3OH plus 2Na, a dagger. 2CH3Na plus H2, a dagger.
But compared to water, alcohols are less acidic, because the alkyl group increases electron density on oxygen, making the OH bond less polar.
Exactly. Now about dehydration reactions, in presence of conc. H2SO4 Al2O3, alcohols lose water to form alkenes. For example, ethanol on heating with conc. H2SO4 at 443 K gives ethene.
Right, and this is an elimination reaction.
Yes. Another important property is oxidation.
Got it. Alcohols also undergo esterification, right?
Yes! Alcohols react with carboxylic acids in presence of conc. H2SO4 to form esters. For example, ethanol plus acetic acid, a dagger. Ethyl acetate plus water. This reaction is slow but reversible.
That's why esters are used in perfumes and flavorings.
Correct. And don't forget reaction with PCl5-recycle-2. Alcohols react with these to give corresponding alcoholides. For example, C2H5OH plus PCl5, a dagger. C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl.
Nice. So basically, alcohols can show substitution, elimination, and oxidation reactions.
Exactly. And if we look at distinction tests, Lucas test, used to distinguish primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols using Lucas reagent ZnCl2 plus conc. HCl. O tertiary alcohols react immediately, turbidity within seconds. O secondary alcohols give turbidity in 5-10 minutes. A primary alcohols don't react at room temperature.
That's a very useful test. And what about uses of alcohols?
Many. For example, methanol, used as a solvent, fuel, and in making formaldehyde. Ethanol, used in alcoholic beverages, as an industrial solvent, antiseptic, and as fuel, blended with petrol. Ethylene glycol, used as antifreeze in car radiators. Glycerol, used in cosmetics, medicines, and explosives. Nitroglycerin.
Wow, so alcohols are not just important in theory, but also have wide applications in real life.
Exactly. That wraps up the full study of alcohols.